Once we open your first account, at the end of the next month, you'll receive a monthly statement from Raymond James. This will initially come in the mail, although you can select electronic delivery once you become set up with Investor Access. When the statement comes to you, take a look at the different sections so that you can become oriented and know where to find the information that you'll want in the future. First, you want to look at the front and see that the summary statement includes all of the accounts. It will have a change since the prior month, and it'll have change since the beginning of the year. Those are two different columns, and they'll change as the year progresses from month to month on the statement. Inside, you'll find all the information about activity that happens, and particularly, you'll find a list of the holdings that we purchase for you. When you're looking at the holdings, the things I want you to pay close attention to are the yield, or the annual income, as well as the realized gain or loss. What you'll be able to see is if a position has a high yield, 2% or more, probably we purchased it for the income, and it may not have as much growth potential. That would fall into the conservative part of our language of investing. If we bought something with zero yield, then we expect it to have much more growth potential. That would fall in the moderate or aggressive part of our Meakem Group language of investing. You'll find that under the holdings section. On the next part, you'll see cash in or out, and you'll see all kinds of transfers. If you have any questions about your first statement, please call us and let us know so we can walk you through so you really understand how to get all the information you need. This will initially come in the mail, although you can select electronic delivery once you become set up with Client Access. We'll talk about that in the next video.